Alright guys, opening the third package here. It's just a small item. Let's take a peek. There it is. Alright, I was expecting some freebie, but no, there's anything in there. It's just this. Right, it's a Type-C USB cable charger. Essager 3C digital accessories. So Type-C, made in China, as is expected, since most of the things sold in Lazada are from China. Alright, so this is actually for my mom, since her current Type-C USB cable is malfunctioning. Oh, you have to. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, I don't want to open it then. Oh no, it's not sealed. You can open it and then seal it again. Alright, just want to take a good look at the cable here. Looks good. Alright. Type-C. Alright. And this is 1 meter long, I think, yeah. The standard length for a USB cable charger. But there it is. She had the option to get, I think, red or blue or white, but I told her to just get the black because it looks better. Yeah, if you get the white, it gets dirty real easily, so the black one is better. Alright, let me put it back. And I'll give this to my mom tomorrow when she wakes up. Alright, that's all there is, guys. So here are all of the items that I received from Lazada yesterday. We still got a couple of more items that are still on their way. Some of them were shipped, but we haven't received it yet, but the others are still under processing status, so just waiting for them. Alright, so that's it. And of course, I'm going to do another unboxing video once I receive the rest of the packages in the mail, and there's a lot more coming, so expect a lot more unboxing videos. And of course, if you enjoyed watching all of these 3 videos that I made, don't forget to click the like button, and of course subscribe if you want to see more unboxing videos like this, and click on that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my uploads in the future. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.